One on, nobody out. The 1-1 pitch, line drive caught by a reaching Nieves, and Martin has to hustle back to first. Casey Cerner hit that hard inside the third base bag, and Abel Nieves reaching across on Tuesday at Sioux City. Slider line to third, backhand on a one-hop by Nieves. He sets, throws to first in time to get Jones, and there's two men down. Second great play of the night by Abel Nieves. Batted in. Martin not a big lead. The 0-2 pitch, swing and a miss. He got him. Chased a slider down low, and Ryan Scholes with a big second out picks up his first strikeout of the night. So he gets weak on 3 for 1 season. Here's the 1-2 pitch, swing and a miss. He got him on a slider, tipped into the glove of Bowden, and Delgado is retired for the first time tonight. Nasty sliders from Nick Walters, and he gets the right-hand batting Jorge Delgado outs. Walters comes set, and the 0-2 pitch, slider on the outside corner, strike 3 called. What an inning by Nick Walters. Sets the side out in order with a
4-0.
Tough game. Didn't do a whole lot offensively and walked a lot of guys on the pitching side of things. But, you know, Scholes kept us in a ball game, and we just didn't do a whole lot offensively. Not a lot of opportunities to score runs tonight. Yeah, he did a great job. Definitely kept us in check. We're not going to get shut out too many times, so, you know, you tip your hat to the guy. He kept us off balance all night. Didn't square a whole lot of balls up tonight off of him, and got to bounce back tomorrow. Got to be ready to go tomorrow. We lost 3 out of our last 4 now after winning 13 in a row.